My name is Seth Smith. I'm with Euliss Propane. We are here in Western North Carolina to help them reset tanks, pick up some tanks that may no longer being used because the house is beyond repair. I'm just helping the people around here get back to somewhat of normalcy, get their heat back on, get their cooking back on, just trying to get back to day-to-day life.
Oh, it was really bad. Had 4 foot of water in our main office, 5 foot in our gas station, which left a really big mess, about a foot of mud in each place. Cold weather's going to be here, and here we are in a mess.
You've seen pictures on TV, you see pictures on the internet, but until you see it in real life, it really puts things in perspective how bad it really is.
Tank you sit over there, and they're going to come and scoop all this up and try to get the tank back where it was. This is just to get them heat for the cold that's coming.
The winter's upon us, so they need to get their oven back working, their fireplace working for heat, their furnace working for heat, their hot water. Her propane does a lot, and they need it all hooked back up and running to get the everyday life together.
All right, so let's go in there and see if we can get the heater fired up. Go get a heater going. We got heat.
Some of us at work were like, hey, how can we go help them? We reached out to SEPA, and they contacted us to let us know that they did have someone that needs some help. They were understaffed, overwhelmed. Instantly, I was like, yes, and absolutely. I would tell me where, when, and what time I need to be there.
Really a good thing that the association come together and help us out. We couldn't be nowhere near as close as we are to rebuilding today if it wasn't for the volunteers and the help that we've had.
Everybody we have met has been super nice and very thankful that we're here helping them. It's just been an awesome trip, and I wish we could stay longer, but hopefully we can come back.
We're rebuilding one day at a time. Each day looks a little better. We will recover.
And you can volunteer different ways. Our way was to bring a truck up here and be hands-on. But of course, you can send things up here. They'll take anything. There's a lot of need here, and until we got here, you really seen how bad the need really was.